Hello, English 11 Honors. As juniors, hopefully you have the ACT on your radar as you think about applying to colleges for senior year and thinking about your future. And I hope that by now you at least know about the voucher that is from the school district in order for you to take the ACT for free sometime during your junior or senior year. And you should have received an email from our administration encouraging you to sign up for one of those vouchers that can be, and you can access that through the counseling office. So make sure you're in touch with your counselor or the counseling office to know how to get that. But definitely I would encourage you to take the ACT. I'm not sure if some of you already are going to take it on April 17th, but we are going to be we've been doing grammar in preparation for that, some grammar review, but I also am going to have you take a practice ACT English test, just in case you haven't done that before. But if you haven't signed up for this April test, it's kind of too late for that, but you definitely should sign up for the June or July test, and you should go to act.org to do that. Once you have your voucher, you'll be able to put that information in. So today, what I would like you to do is to take a practice English test. So if you go to the school website, then you can click on Naviance Student, and you're going to come in here as a student. You're going to continue with your single sign-on. Since I'm not a student, I have to come to this demo version, so I'm going to click over here. And after you signed in, yours will look like this. You're going to scroll down. I know this says seniors, but don't worry about that. It'll be similar to what this looks like. You're going to come down here to this resources to get ready section, and you're going to go to the Naviance test prep. And hopefully yours will load faster than mine. Okay, it's loading. Okay, and then it'll let you type in, like if you're going to take the July 10th test, you could put that in, and it will set up like a plan, a study plan for you. There's a lot of things in here that you can do. But today, I'd like you to go to the tests over here on the side, and you're going to take this diagnostic test. Now, don't panic. 215 questions is the entire practice ACT. We are just doing the English portion. If you would like to take the entire test, that's up to you. So you could practice for math and reading and science also, but we're doing the English part today, and that is the first test. So you will start the test here and click start, and then this is what the test looks like. It gives you 45 minutes to complete it. And basically the underlined portions are what you're focused on for answering the questions. It'll be highlighted, and then you scroll down to the bottom and select your answer. So remember, this is English, so you're correcting grammar, correcting the way sentences are written, kind of making things more concise, looking at their word choices, things like that. So I know that this is kind of not as fun to go back and forth, but that's just how Naviance is set up. When you are finished, you are going to, you'll confirm that section, you'll keep going. But at the end, you're going to review and finalize. So obviously, I did not answer all of these questions, but you will have, and you're going to scroll down and say, I reviewed my answers, I would like to submit them. You're going to click that. If you would prefer not to take the other tests, which is totally fine, we're going to review and finalize for math. So we're doing the same thing. We're going to end our little break that you can put in a virtual break for you. Review and finalize for reading. And then finally for science. We'll go to the bottom here. Okay, then it's going to bring up the percentages, which obviously mine is 0. I did not answer any questions. But what I would like for you to do is to go to the category scores section. and it's going to show you the different categories that the English questions are in. Conventions of standard English, so that would be grammar and usage, knowledge of language, and production of writing. And I would like you to take a screenshot of this page and email it to me to show me that you did the practice test, and so I can see kind of your percentage in those categories. And then for your own benefit, if you go back to the test sections and click on English, it will show you a question review. It'll show you the ones that you got wrong, okay? And it will let you review that. So this is a great tool. There's also ways for you to practice different things, okay? So if you need to practice conventions of standard English, if you end up getting a lower score in that, or whichever category it is, this will help you find areas that you can practice and help you. There's lessons on different things, just overall of the ACT, but then also in the actual categories. Okay, so if you know that you're not as good with colons and semicolons, you could do a lesson on that. Knowledge of language, production of writing, depending on what it is, there's lessons for you there. And there's even flashcards, okay? So you have all of these options to help you. So if you haven't been familiar with this before, hopefully that gives you some good tools that you can use. All right, so please complete that this week. I'm giving you today to do that on Monday, but you just need to get it completed sometime during the week, please, and email me those category scores percentages. So again, that'll be here. Oh, sorry, I'm not in the test. That'll be for the diagnostic test, these category scores. That's the screenshot that I would like to have when you are finished. All right, and then we are having a Google Meet Tuesday, April 13th at 12:40 to discuss a writing assignment for Raisin in the Sun and our summative assessment for that. So I would love for you to join us if you can at 12:40 on Tuesday. Thanks so much. Have a great day.